Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 24th January 2025. Political news. India offers to repatriate illegal migrants to safeguard visas. In a strategic move to protect key visa programs for its citizens, India has proposed to repatriate approximately 18,000 Indians residing illegally in the United States. This initiative aims to prevent potential tightening of visa policies and the imposition of trade tariffs by the US administration. Notably, Indian nationals constituted 72% of the H-1B visas issued last year. India and US plan Modi-Trump meeting. Diplomatic efforts are underway to arrange a meeting in February between Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump. The discussions are expected to focus on enhancing trade relations and facilitating the issuance of skilled worker visas for Indian citizens. This meeting seeks to strengthen bilateral ties early in President Trump's new term. NHRC orders fresh inquiry into Foxconn's hiring practices. The National Human Rights Commission of India has criticized labor officials for an inadequate investigation into Foxconn's hiring practices, particularly concerning the exclusion of married women from assembly jobs at its southern India plant. The NHRC has mandated a thorough reinvestigation within 4 weeks to address potential discrimination. Sports news. India vs England T20 series commences. England is set to begin a new white ball era under coach Brendan McCullum with the 2020 series against India starting in Kolkata. McCullum aims to instill an aggressive playing style, with captain Jos Buttler leading a formidable batting lineup. India's squad sees the return of Mohammad Shami, while Jasprit Bumrah is absent due to back spasms. World Pickleball League Inaugural Edition. The inaugural edition of the World Pickleball League, WPBL, is set to debut on 24th January 2025, with live broadcasts on Sony Sports 10 channels. The league, conceptualized by former Indian tennis icons Gaurav Natekar and Aarti Ponnappa Natekar, will feature 6 franchise teams competing in high-energy matches throughout the tournament. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.